Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove filters that you might find on an Excel workbook really easily and very quickly. Now, you might have come across a situation where you're opening a file in the workplace and you're sharing this with your colleagues, and they've been doing some work on it and they've left some filters on. Now, the last thing you want to do is waste time unselecting the filters that they've left on and save the file. Or you might even have come across a situation where you're viewing a spreadsheet in SharePoint and it's a shared spreadsheet and your other colleagues have left a specific number of filters on and you can't find the information that you're looking for. So if we take a look at the screen right now, you can see there's columns A to R, okay? And on here, a few of the filters have been selected, as you can see over here. You can see with the filter icon where my mouse is pointing right now. And when it's not selected, it looks like this. And when a filter is selected, it looks like this. Okay, so if you were to unselect a filter individually, you would have to click on it. And as you can see, you can't really do much because there is a specific order that these filters were ticked. So you can't really do anything for column A. Now if we move on to column G, you can't do anything there. Then you look at column K, you can't tick anything there either. And then finally, if you click on column O, you can see that there's loads of stuff that needs to be selected. So if we do select all, and it's selected, basically it's displayed all of the other stuff. Now, if we go ahead and revert to how it was before, okay, let's say you're coming across the screen for the first time, all you need to do is go to data, and then you look at where it says sort and filter, and then just click the clear button here, and that will get rid of all of the filters that have been selected. So if you do come across anything on Excel where filters were selected and you're having a hard time unticking them, or there's loads of filters and you don't have the time to untick all of them, just go to data and then look for where it says filter and then click on clear. That will get rid of all the filters very quickly and you can just get on with your work. I hope this has been a useful video for you. If you have any questions or queries, please leave them in the comment section below. Please give us a like as well, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.